This is the Airshore trench strut. This is the older style strut, or the silver tube. Recently they've been replaced with newer designs with foot options, etc. Very similar to the Paratech type strut, though it also is an Airshore system. Some parts of this strut that differ between the hydraulics and the Paratechs is there is no foot options on this particular strut here. This strut was designed for trench rescue itself. These are swivel bases on either, but they are fixed. You cannot interchange the feet. They are fixed to the strut itself. Also, the strut, there is no extensions for this model. So what you see is what you get on the side of the tube. On the side of the tube, you can see this strut extends from 33 inches to 50 inches. The air inlet, of course, is down at the base end. This would be the strut end or ram end. One of the major differences between this strut and the Paratech strut that we mentioned before is the locking mechanism. The Paratech had a simple screw, the Acme screw. The Airshore typically uses this cam and pin system to lock the strut off. Once this strut is in place, the strut end will extend out, and what you try to do is you take this pin and find the lowest hole on this inclined plane that you can. Simply slide the pin through. You'll take this collar here with this inclined plane and turn it until it stops, until you get full pressure on it. Once you obtain full pressure, take the T-screw, lock it off, and now this strut will be mechanically locked off. You can discharge the air from it, and it is a strut that is locked in place. To remove these struts or DC these struts, you would basically do this process in reverse order. You would air the strut up, unlock or unscrew your T-screw, work the plane back, slide the pin out, and now the strut can be retracted back into the tube itself. On the tube, you can see, as we discussed earlier in our Paratech struts, there are these holes in the side of the barrel. It is the same exact operation that we have on the Paratechs. If you extend this strut and hear air escaping from these weep holes, that tells you that you have overextended your strut. Once again, you need to collapse the strut, remove it from the hole, get a larger strut. In this case, you cannot put an extension on it. You have to actually get an entire longer strut, replace it in the trench itself, and then go through your installation process.